and show you how to launch it from the Start menu. So let's get started. So let's start with, what is Microsoft Outlook? Microsoft Outlook is the core product in the Microsoft Office suite that helps us to manage our day, including things like our email, which we use for communication, calendar that we use for scheduling, tasks that help us track our to-dos, being able to locate and communicate with the people in our organization, and probably one of the most underused areas of Outlook, which is the notes. The magic of Microsoft Outlook actually happens when you see all of these things work together to help you manage your day. So let's launch Microsoft Outlook. To launch Microsoft Outlook from Windows 10, press the Windows key and type Outlook. You'll notice Outlook 2016 appears at the top of the Start menu. I'm going to click to select that option, and Microsoft Outlook launches. You can access the other areas of Microsoft Outlook using the navigation bar at the lower left-hand side of the screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.